This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to start out with a rumba box. So you're going to step to the right, beside, step forward on the right, beside, step left, beside, step back, beside. Then you're going to step right, back, left kick, step left, back, right kick. Then you're going to do a coaster step and then a left forward step into a lock step to the right with a brush, into a lock step to the left with a brush, and then a right step hold, left step hold, right step hold, left step hold for a 3/4 turn, end of dance.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's one restart in this song. It's after the 6th wall, which you'll be facing the 3 o'clock wall. You're going to do that rumba box for the first 8 counts. Then you're going to do that second 8 count. Step, kick, coaster, step, and then back into the rumba box. Start the dance over.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.